type 3 is based on the mensuration. Now we know that mensuration is about the surface areas and volumes, so maybe we have to use those formulas. So please keep in mind, revise and keep in mind all the formulas that we have used for the chapters in of mensuration. So now the question is, the length of a rectangular plot of land is 8 meters more than twice its breadth. You have to find out the dimensions of the plot if the perimeter is 106 meters. Now let us understand the question first. The question is telling us that we have a rectangular plot somewhat like this. It has two dimensions, that is length and breadth. So length is represented with L and breadth is represented with B. Now what are they saying? They are telling us that the length is 8 meters more than twice its breadth. That means the value of L would be equal to 8 meters more than twice its breadth, isn't it? Why? Because if breadth is B, twice of breadth will make 2B, and adding 8 to it will make it 2B plus 8 or 8 plus 2B. That is the length. And what else is given in the question? The perimeter of the rectangle is also given to us, that is 106 meters. So we'll write down all the data now. The data includes the perimeter of the rectangle, and we know the perimeter of rectangular plot would be equal to, as we know the formula for perimeter, that would be 2 into L plus B. Now this is the perimeter formula. What are the values given? We have been given the perimeter, that is 106 equal to 2, and as I discussed with you, the L here becomes 8 plus 2B. So we write this down, 8 plus 2B plus B. Now this we have formed our linear equation. Why? Because here the variable B is having the highest power as 1 only. So now we can further solve it. So on solving further, we would get 106 equal to 2 into 8 plus, what is 2B plus B? That will be 3B. Now how to solve it? We will open the brackets on the right hand side by multiplying 2 with 8, that is 2 into 8 plus 2 into 3B. That is 106 equal to 2 8s are 16 plus 2 into 3B is 6B. Taking the constants to one side, we take 16 and transpose it to this side, making it minus 16 equal to 6B. Now on subtracting this, we get 0 and 6 minus 6 is 0. 10 minus 1 is 9 equal to 6B. Now B would equal to 90 over 6. We know that both are having some common factors, that is 3. So we will divide them both with 3, giving us 30 over 2 equal to B. Now still both the numerator and denominator are having some common factors, that is 2. So we will divide them both with 2, giving us 15 over 1 equal to B. That means the breadth of the rectangular plot, we will assume that now the breadth was assumed to be B. So this value of B has come out to be equal to 15. So we write this down here, that the breadth of the rectangular plot is equal to 15 meters, right? We have already found the breadth. What will be the length of the rectangular plot? The length would be equal to, as we had assumed it to be, 8 plus 2B. So we will write this down and put the value of B in this. So we get 8 plus 2 into 15, that is 8 plus 2 into 15 makes 30, and the length comes out to be 38 meters. So these are the two values that you have to find, but I will give you one more examination help you can consider. Why? Because you can even check your answers. For all the questions of linear equations, you can check your answers by substituting the values that you have got into your linear equation. Or what you can directly do is, you already have the length and breadth now, you can take out the value of perimeter and check whether the perimeter is coming equal to 106 or not. Once you do that, you will be sure that the values that you have found for length and breadth are correct. So that is the method for checking your values for linear equation.